Everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a tour here of the 4-bedroom suite at the Worldmark Anaheim. The Worldmark Anaheim is a 1.1 mile walk or 1.77 kilometers. It takes about 22 minutes to walk to the gates of Disneyland. Alternatively, you can use the Toy Story lot. Walking there from the Worldmark Anaheim is about a 7 to 8 minute walk, and you can take a free shuttle to the park. There's also an art stop located right on site, and you would be taking the Clementine line. We're starting off here in the living area of the suite, and it is very spacious in here. The living area has a lot of seating, and there's a fireplace with the TV, and there's also a DVD player in the room. Right off the living room area is this really nice workstation with a big desk, and it also has 4 regular outlets built in and 4 USB outlets in as well. The kitchen here is awesome. It is a full-size kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, stove, and microwave. Plus they provide all of the utensils, plates, cups, anything you can think of for the kitchen. They also have a coffee pot in here, and then the island, you're able to sit around and eat at the island as well. Right off the kitchen is the dining room with this massive table that seats 8 people. And out of the dining room window, we have a killer view of Space Mountain, the Matterhorn. I can see Galaxy's Edge as well. Amazing view for fireworks too. Right off of the dining room is this really nice large balcony area. It has a full table that sits 4 people plus 2 additional chairs. So this area is right off of the kitchen living room area, and it has 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So this first bedroom here has 2 twin beds, and right across from it is a full bathroom for that bedroom. This first bedroom is 2 twin beds. What's really great is on both sides of this nightstand, there are 2 outlets and 2 USBs built into the nightstand, and then on either side of each bed are 2 regular outlets as well. This room has a really nice sized closet. It has 2 robes in there, a luggage rack, and some hangers. There's this nice dresser with 3 drawers, and then the nightstand has 2 drawers, so lots of storage in this room for clothing, plus a TV and a DVD player. This is the bathroom for the twin bedroom. It is a really good sized bathroom with a large stand-up shower and 1 sink, but the counter space is a lot of counter space for everyone's toiletries. It's a really good sized bathroom. I really love the lighting in here as well. There's no dark areas. Lots of bright light in here. Right next to the twin room that we just went through, this is one of the master suites here. So it has a king size bed and a very large bathroom as well. The nightstands in this room are very similar to the one in the twin room, where there's 2 outlets and 2 USBs built in on each nightstand. Each nightstand also has 2 big drawers. This room also has a Juliet balcony, so you can walk out there, but it's not big enough for a chair. But this view is killer as well. Space Mountain, Matterhorn, Galaxy's Edge, you can see all of that from here. They also have a closet here with a luggage rack, robes, and hangers. It's a really spacious closet. Plus they also have this TV, DVD player, and 3 big drawers in this dresser for clothing as well. This bathroom is massive. It even feels like I'm echoing as I talk in here because it's so big. This is a giant shower with 2 shower heads in it, plus this amazing jet soaker tub, nice big counter area for toiletries, and then the lavatory area as well. This entryway is very spacious. This is kind of the middle point of this massive room. On this side is a master bedroom and a 2 twin bedroom, and also on this side is a master bedroom and a 2 twin bedroom, along with a sizable living room, dining room, and kitchen. Right off the main entryway to the left is the full-size washer and dryer is in this closet. This is just an empty closet for more storage space. Maybe you could put empty luggage, but it does have a luggage rack in there. And then this closet has the ironing board, a plunger if you need it, and a broom and dustpan. This is the second master suite in this room, and this is on the opposite side of the hotel, so you're facing the Toy Story parking lot. This is a king-size bed. Each nightstand also has 2 regular outlets and 2 USBs built in on both sides of the bed. There's a really nice sized dresser with the TV, DVD player, and 3 big sized drawers, and each nightstand here also has 2 really large sized drawers. This room has this little nook, and they've added a little nice couch area where you could maybe take a nap, relax, read a book, and the lighting in here is great as well. This master also has a Juliet balcony, so a chair cannot fit out there, but you can open the door and walk out there. But because you are on Catella Boulevard, I'm not sure if you would open this door due to the road noise, but it might be nice at night to let in a little cool air before you go to bed. This master has an amazing walk-in closet. I don't know if I've ever seen a walk-in closet in a hotel, but this is fantastic. Has a luggage rack, tons of area to hang up clothes. You could hide away your luggage in here. It's a great storage area. Just like the other master suite, this bathroom is massive. I feel like my voice is echoing again because it is such a large bathroom. There's a great soaker tub here that is jetted, an enormous shower with 2 shower heads, and a fantastic area with tons of counter space for the sink, and of course the lavatory area as well. This is the other 2 twin room that is in this massive suite. We do notice it is maybe a little bit smaller of a room. There's not as much room on either side of each bed, but it is still a really great sized room. On the nightstand here, there's 2 big drawers, and on each side there's 2 regular outlets and 2 USB outlets built in. Again, a really great storage area of the closet where they provide hangers, robes, and a luggage rack. Another area for storage with 3 big drawers, the DVD player, and the TV as well. And this is the bathroom for the 2 twin room that I just showed you. It is a really great size. It has a standard size bathtub shower combination, a really large vanity area for plenty of toiletries, and the toilet area as well. This was a massive suite. I hope you really enjoyed it. I couldn't find a whole lot of information on this room before we got here, and we want to say huge thank you to our friends who booked this room and are letting us stay with them this week, and we can't wait to see how much we love this room. Please look out for our experience video coming out soon. If you want to check out another room tour, please click here.